Hi, I'm Luna from A Very Pretty Planner, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download a digital sticker set that you've purchased from my Etsy shop and how to import it into GoodNotes. So the first thing you want to do is download the letter from my shop with the download links. As of the time of this video, you're not able to download it from the Etsy app, so you'll need to go into your web browser and go to etsy.com. From here, you'll need to log into your account. I'm already logged in, so all I need to do is tap on this little picture over here, my little icon, and then go to purchases and reviews. You'll see your most recent orders, so if you see it here, you can just tap on the download now and you'll be able to download it from there. If you don't see it here, just tap down here on view all orders. Then you would just scroll down until you see your purchase and then just tap on download files. And from there you should be able to download the letter. You should be able to open it up here in your download section or in your downloads folder. So once you open up that file, you'll see something like this. And this is a letter from me with a GoodNotes file link and an individual PNGs link as well. And in this video, I'm only gonna go over the GoodNotes file. If you need to know how to download the individual PNGs and how to install them, I'll have a separate video on that. You can click on it down below in the description box. So for the GoodNotes file, you want to click on the GoodNotes link right here. Tap on open and it'll take you to the Dropbox link, and then just tap down here on download. Download again, and you should see it download over here, and if you tap on the download section, you'll see it listed here. But you don't want to open it up yet. Next, you'll open up your GoodNotes app. Then you'll tap over here on the new section, select import, and look for that file that we just downloaded. That should be in the downloads folder right here, and it's right here. So I'm just gonna tap on it. It's importing, and there it is. And you can just swipe to see the rest of the stickers. And that is how you download your sticker set and import it into GoodNotes. Now I'm going to show you really quick how to copy and paste your stickers into your digital planner. If you don't already have your planner open, you can just hit the back button. I'm going to pick this planner right here. So just make sure that this little symbol is like that, a pencil with a little slash through it. So now we can edit my planner. So the first way you can do this is just by tapping back to the stickers, select the lasso tool. I already have it selected. So now we just need to pick a sticker. I'm gonna pick this one down here, the little umbrella. All you need to do is do a little circle, tap once, and copy. Go back to your planner, tap once, and hold down your pen and select paste. And put it right over here in this little corner. Let's do several more. Now you can do it one by one or you can do several at a time. Let me do this little group right here. So I circle, tap, copy, go back to my planner, tap and hold, and then paste. There's my stickers. So I'm going to, let me move these books over here, and I'm actually going to resize them, make them a little bigger and straighten them out. So I'm just circling and tapping once. To move, I'm gonna tap again and resize. Make these just a little bit smaller to fit in this box. There we go. Put this candle also in one of the boxes. Tap, resize. And anyway, you get the idea. I'm just gonna move these around. I don't need this. So I tap delete, move this one over here. And that's it. You just need to go back and forth, pick your stickers, and then just tap over here and paste. Now the other way to do this is split screen. So if your iPad does split screen, what you want to do is go back to your stickers, select this little window icon in the corner, tap, open a new window, and it'll open your stickers in a new window, and you can see your planner and your stickers at the same time. I prefer to make my sticker window a little bit smaller, zoom out, so now you can just select your sticker and paste. I personally like to plan like this. I feel like it's faster and easier. So that is it for this video. Hopefully you'll find this tutorial helpful. If you have any other questions or if you need help with anything else, just send me a message on Etsy. Thank you. Bye.